Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dish Easy Access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Dish website. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the website loads, look for the login option. This is usually located in the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to a login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the provided field. Next, type your password in the corresponding field. Ensure that your credentials are entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. Wait for a moment as the system processes your login. From here, you can access various Dish services and features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.